Alright, I'm here with this John Deere 997 zero-turn tractor. It's a diesel engine, and just going to do a quick little video on it for you. So the tractor wasn't running very well. It almost wouldn't start, and then once it was started, if we could get it started, it would really cough and sputter, and it was not running well, so we couldn't even operate it. So we've had issues with the seat switch before. We're doing some testing with it with these wires. But what ended up happening around back, I lift up the hood and the seat. Right down there, that is the fuel and water separator. So that water separator was full of water, and then it kept letting water into the engine. So there's a fuel filter right there, and then there's your water separator. And it was so full that water just kept getting into the engine, so that's why I wasn't operating properly. And then we emptied it out, and in here you can see there's like a darker piece towards the bottom, and that's the water, and then the diesel fuel is floating on top. So that was not good. It was very dirty. Some of it was just gunk off the tractor. But then we did it a second time, and you can see at the bottom there's just a little dark patch, and that's all the water that was in it this time. So it was a lot cleaner. And then there's the diesel fuel floating on top. So that's a big improvement from all the water in the bottom of this container. So that was the fix required on this tractor. It was actually super simple, especially because at the bottom of the filter, there's a little nozzle. You can see down there that little white nozzle right there. So just open that up, and that's what we were able to do to empty it out. I hope this helps you if you are having an issue similar to this. If your tractor won't start or struggles to run when started, check the fuel and the water separator, because that's what we needed to clear. So once we cleared it out, now this tractor runs great the way it was supposed to run before. One of the things to check is also that your fuel cap does not have a hole in it or any sort of leak. There might be a breather hole, a little one, but there shouldn't be a crack in it or anything, because that could let in water. Or watch your jerry cans when you're filling up, because that could have water in it too.